I used to think growing broilers faster was all about premium feed and tight management. Starter feed? Check. Biosecurity? Check. Maybe a few meds here and there. But then, one batch completely changed my thinking. The birds were off. They weren't growing right. No major sickness, but they just weren't thriving. At just 8 days old, things weren't looking good. Feed intake was inconsistent, a few birds had wet droppings and pasty vents. Mortality was low, but gut health was clearly off. And any farmer who's been in the game knows, those first 3 weeks are everything. That's when the digestive system is forming, enzymes are developing, and immunity is setting in. If you miss that window, you're gonna struggle for the rest of the cycle.
Instead of going straight for antibiotics, I tried something different. I remembered a farmer who once told me he used papaya leaves to grow strong, healthy birds. I didn't take him seriously back then, but this time I was curious. So I picked a few leaves, blended them into a green extract, and added it to the bird's water. Just 20 milliliters per liter, once a day. Everything else stayed the same.
4 days later, I was shocked. Each bird had gained over 500 grams. By day 18, they were averaging 780 grams, up from just 250 grams at day 8. That's more than 3 times the weight in just 10 days. And what stood out the most wasn't just the weight, it was the energy. The birds were moving more, feeding with more confidence, and their droppings were firmer. No signs of lethargy or huddling. And here's something that surprised me. Feed intake improved without increasing total feed cost. The birds simply started using feed more efficiently. No wastage, no selective picking. Everything was being converted into muscle. That's when I knew. This was more than just a coincidence. 4 days later, I was shocked. Each bird had gained over 500 grams. By day 18, they were averaging 780 grams, up from just 250 grams at day 8. That's more than 3 times the weight in just 10 days. No antibiotics, no fancy supplements, just fresh papaya leaf extract, and the results were undeniable.
If you found this helpful so far, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other farmers. You might be helping someone turn their poultry business around. So what's in a papaya leaf that makes it so effective? Papain, a natural enzyme that breaks down protein. Flavonoids and polyphenols, powerful antioxidants. Tannins and alkaloids that fight off bacteria and parasites. Vitamins A, C, E, B complex for strong immunity, and minerals like calcium, potassium, magnesium for bone growth and enzyme activity. Broilers don't grow big just because they eat more. They grow based on how well they digest and absorb nutrients. When you support digestion early, everything else improves. Feed conversion, muscle growth, energy, and immunity. And papaya extract does that exactly. Here's how to make papaya leaf extract. Harvest young, green leaves early in the morning. Wash thoroughly with clean water. Blend 500 grams of leaves with 1 liter of lukewarm water. Strain using a clean cloth or sieve. Store in a fridge. It lasts for up to 3 days. Dosage: add 15 to 20 milliliters per liter of drinking water. Give once daily from day 8 to day 18. Don't have a blender? No worries. Just dry the leaves under shade, crush them into powder, and mix into feed at 1.5% to 2% of total feed weight. It still works, especially for growers. Can you combine papaya extract with antibiotics? Yes, but you likely won't need to. Can you give it to layers or local chickens? Definitely. It improves yolk color, boosts resistance, and supports development. Can it be used long-term? Use it in 10-day cycles to avoid irritation. Is it safe? Yes, just don't overdose. Stick to 15 to 20 milliliters per liter and make sure leaves are free from pesticides.
Papaya leaf extract isn't some trend or miracle. It simply works because it supports your bird's biology. It boosts digestion, protects the gut, and speeds up growth. And the best part? It's natural, affordable, and already growing around you. But beyond the biology, there's something deeply satisfying about knowing you can raise healthy birds without chemicals. It gives you control. It gives your customers confidence. And in many markets, it gives your brand a better reputation for clean, responsible farming. I've spoken to farmers who went from struggling with high mortality to hitting near 100% survival just by using this one change. That's the kind of transformation that's worth sharing. So here's my advice. Try it. Watch your birds. Take notes. Adjust as needed. And if it works, share this method with another farmer. Let's build a smarter, cleaner poultry future together. If this video brought you value, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell me how papaya leaves are working for you. I'd love to hear your story.